Hi friends, welcome to Radioactive. Today I am going to tell you how to compress a video using Handbrake. Handbrake is a free software which can compress the video into very small size. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser and type handbrake.fr and click enter. After clicking, you can see Handbrake's web page. Click on download. Now install the software by opening it. After installing, open the Handbrake. You can see the size of my video is 2.52 GB. Now drag out the video which you want to compress. Then go to videos and select the quality of the video. If you increase the quality of the video, then the software will compress just a small size. So I prefer the quality number 22, so that we won't lose the quality and the video will be compressed into a very small size. After selecting the quality, click on Start Encode, then Handbrake will start compressing the video. This may take few moments. After compressing, you can check the size of the video. You can see that the size of the video is very small. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe.